How to view and manage saved passwords on your Google account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to view and manage passwords on your Google account. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there. Click on setting. Scroll down and click on passwords. And you have before never saved, you have view and manage saved passwords in your Google account. And here you're gonna find your passwords, password manager, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.